Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English channel, the place where learning English is simple, friendly, and fun. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Mark. Hi, Michelle. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back with another episode.
How are you today, Mark? You look very bright and cheerful.
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. I'm excited for our topic today because it's something people hear all the time.
Yes, that's true. And before we start, if you're listening right now, don't forget to subscribe to our Everyday English channel. Please click the like button and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, it helps more learners join us, and we love having you here.
So, Mark, are you ready?
I'm ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about the famous question, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, a classic question. People ask it everywhere, at school, at work, at parties, or anytime you meet someone new.
Exactly. But many English learners feel nervous and don't know what to say. So today, we'll make it simple, friendly, and clear.
Sounds great. So who goes first?
How about you? Mark, tell me about yourself, slowly and clearly, so our listeners can follow.
All right. My name is Mark. M-A-R-K. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. My name is Michelle.
So, where are you from, Michelle?
I'm from the United States, a large, busy, exciting place.
And I'm from Australia. It's warm, sunny, and full of beautiful beaches.
That sounds lovely. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a quiet, small town. I enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. What about you?
I live in a big, crowded city, but I really enjoy the energy and the people.
So, already we have simple things to share. Your name and where you're from.
Yes, these two are always a perfect start. Let's add another detail. Where you live now. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a little garden. I love growing plants and flowers.
That sounds wonderful. I live in a small but cozy apartment. It's not very big, but it feels warm and comfortable.
Great. See? Very easy information that helps people know you better.
Next, we can talk about age, only if you feel comfortable.
Sure. I'm 30 years old. And you, Michelle?
I'm 26 years old.
Ah, great age. Young, creative, and full of energy.
Thank you, Mark. So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. Teaching is my passion. I love helping people learn and grow.
Perfect for our channel. And I'm a university student. I study graphic design. I love art, colors, and creativity.
That sounds exciting and fun.
Let's move on to another easy topic, family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Sophie. She's younger than me, and she studies music.
That's beautiful. I also have one brother. His name is Jason. He's older than me, and he's 28 years old.
What about your parents?
My mother is a kindergarten teacher. She loves children. And my father is a chef at a restaurant.
A chef. That must be amazing.
Yes, he cooks wonderful food at home. I'm very lucky.
My mother is a writer, and my father is a doctor. They both inspire me a lot.
That's lovely. Sharing about family helps people feel connected. Now, let's talk about something everyone loves, pets. Do you have one?
Yes, I have a dog named Buddy. He's small, brown, and very friendly. He loves running around the garden.
Aw, Buddy, sounds adorable. I have a cat named Mimi. She's black and white. She sleeps almost all day and wakes up only when she's hungry.
That's a perfect description of a cat.
Another way to talk about yourself is through your favorites. So, Mark, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. Easy, simple, and delicious.
Great choice. My favorite food is pasta, creamy and comforting.
What about your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. It makes me feel calm, like nature.
My favorite color is blue, like the sky or the ocean.
both beautiful choices.
And what's your favorite animal, Michelle?
Cats, of course.
And I love dogs.
Now let's talk about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy listening to music, especially old rock music. I also love playing soccer on weekends with my friends.
That sounds fun and active. For me, I like painting, reading adventure books, and watching animated movies.
Animated movies are full of imagination. I love comedy movies, anything that makes me laugh.
It's also okay to talk about things you don't like. For example, what food don't you like?
I don't like olives. The taste is too strong for me.
I actually like olives, but I don't like very spicy food.
Same here. A little spicy is okay, but too spicy is impossible.
What about an activity you don't enjoy?
I don't like waiting in long lines.
Me neither. And I don't like waking up very early in the morning. So, to answer, tell me about yourself, you can share your name, where you're from, where you live, your age, your job or studies, your family, your pets, your hobbies, your likes and dislikes.
You don't have to say everything. Just choose what fits the situation. Keep it short and simple.
For example, in class, my name is Michelle. I'm from the United States. I study graphic design.
At a party. Hi, I'm Mark. I love music and sports.
Easy, natural, and friendly. Today's episode was wonderful. I learned so much about you, Mark.
And I learned about your love for pasta, painting, and your sleepy cat Mimi.
Thank you all for listening. Please subscribe to the Everyday English channel and give this episode a big thumbs up.
And for today's question, write in the comments. Tell me about yourself. Just one or two simple sentences.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.